buying online can be pretty difficult, especially if you're buying from eBay. Now, keeping yourself safe is something that you should always do when dealing with online transactions. Now, how do you exactly buy on eBay here safely? Well, first things first is you want to look for the listing that you may want to buy. Like for example, there are a lot of products here. Let's just go ahead and just open up this product here. Now, inside the product page itself, there are multiple indications or indicators here that you may want to check. First things first is you may want to check the rating of the seller. Like for example, for this specific store or seller, because you can see the experience or the feedback to their services or through their page here or their account is 99.7 positive, which is a good indicator here. So most likely, if you do start buying from them, they would actually deliver the actual product. Now, also another thing that you may want to do is you may want to check their actual page here. Now, in their page, you should be able to see a lot more things, like how many items they've sold, how many followers they currently have, and also the items that they're currently selling. Now, typically in here, you should be able to like see how they are selling their products, and also the feedback, and also how many items they've sold. Now, this one is really important because, again, you want to make sure that they've sold products before, and the feedback is really good, and they also have a steady following here. Now, another thing that you may want to do is you may want to check the details of the listing itself. Just make sure that the listing or whatever photo that is included in here matches what's actually included in the description. And also make sure that what you're buying is exactly what you need. Like for example, how many grams of product you have, how many pieces of the product that you need. So make sure to verify that so that there's no confusion when you're buying the photo. Now, sometimes the photo and the description may mismatch, so it's a great idea to basically check the item specifications. Now, also check the description, everything that you need to basically verify the item. Now, once you've done everything in here, next thing that you want to do is you just need to go ahead, just start or buying the product. Now, I would highly recommend you to use a secure payment method here. So if you can use a credit card that you have, use a credit card or a PayPal account if you can. So that's if something goes wrong here, you can actually protect yourself just in case like something happens with your order. But that's about it. So those are the things that you could do to protect yourself when buying in eBay. So hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.